Stomach in.
Hi bazala bamzitho, welcome to Mkosi noMagatsheni. I am uMagatsheni, umkosi wethu wanamhlanje. Bazala bamzitho, it's about uDominic ne-love life yakhe, guys. So there's alleged boyfriend Dominic. Dominic posts videos with this guy, guys, and the allegations they're saying Dominic is in a relationship with this guy. So guys, they seem very happy on the videos Dominic is posting. They seem like they love each other. I don't know whether the boyfriend or your friend, because one thing I've noticed about Dominic, she's very flaky even with my friends like, and my friends like, they don't have a problem with it. I don't see anything wrong with it, and I think she's flaky guma videos like, I don't think in personal life flaky kanjalo. I've seen my videos like mhlambe baba nama event nabo philane, she'll do the same. I used to join Mina the first time I came across with Dominic, it was through Pilane, because they will do my live. Guys, I truly thought to Pilane we were sharing with Dominic on that live, the live that I joined, on the live that young introducer to Dominic and the content tag. You understand? So I think Dominic is very flaky. So we are not, I'm not yet sure, or I'm not 100% sure with the guy is a boyfriend, yeah, Dominic, but the allegations they are saying they're in a relationship and Dominic is sponsoring a life that guy. The guy seems like he's not working. Do I believe Dominic will date someone who's not working? 100% no, because I've seen ama-interview kaDominic, I've seen uDominic kuma-lives akhuluma ngale ndlela kubaluleke ngakhona ukuthi yena spoiler as a woman in a relationship. So I don't think she'll go for someone who's 000 not working and who's not doing anything with his life. I think she's someone who told umuntu, even if you are not working but you are doing something, you have some source of income, awuhlalanga nje ulinde yena ukuthi a-provide in the relationship. So kuthiwa this guy is dating uDominic and uDominic is giving the guy imali uye osponsora ama-vacations wabo. The picture that I've posted of the little video that I've posted, uDominic is the one who was paying everything there. So the guy, guys, kuthiwa une-girlfriend yakhe ayithandayo. We don't know. I mean, I don't know about social media how they can detect to see this person love this or doesn't love this one. I don't know, but I think social media, we have social media gurus who can even see the heart of the person. You understand? Who can see their feelings. Yes, I'm against cheating, but we don't know whether the guy is cheating on the girl or is cheating on Dominic if they are in a relationship with Dominic. So the guy, une girlfriend yakhe and the girlfriend post on his social media platform. That is another reason I believe Dominic is in a relationship with this guy. Because if you check the post of this guy, there are a lot of pictures of girl. It's not like it's a one-time thing. So Dominic could really, not unless they understand they are in a relationship or bagus temp. You understand? They are both dating the guy, if they are really dating the guy. But the guy who sponsor a girl, she's spending the money that I tata with Dominic, I need the girlfriend that he truly loves, or the girlfriend that he is comfortable being seen with her in public. Because I'm posting Dominic. Dominic is the only person who's posting the guy. If Dominic is really in a relationship with this guy and she didn't know about the girlfriend, I feel sorry for her, guys. You know one thing about umjolo fana nomntwana, you cannot go to umuntu just because of a failed relationship. You can't. There's nothing fun there. Because one thing about umjolo, now ungathanda nomuntu uzitshela ukuthi you're in a relationship, you're happy. Kanti umuntu uneminye imicabango yakhe ngawe. You understand? It is so sad. And the sad thing about love, we all want love. We all want to be loved. And we all want to be loved loudly. You understand? So, they keep on trying. They keep on trying. And guys, because relationship or being loved is a beautiful thing. That's why they keep on trying and you fail. Unfortunately, for all of us, uNkulunkulu akasibhadli la ukuthi lo muntu lo has very good intentions about the relationship yawo, lo ufuna ukudlala, lo ufuna nje ukutrenda ngawe, lo ufuna ukwaziwa ngawe. You understand? That is the sad part of umjolo, but I do feel sorry for Dominic Bandla Shem. I feel like she's been through a lot, and as a woman she is, and the things that she does for your family, like I feel like amadlozi wakubo noNkulunkulu akubo ngathi bangamcancel athole injabulo ayideserve, because she's going all out for your family, like to be happy. If you are following Dominic, you will know that this guy ugele uyasebenza noma la ugele uyasebenza, ugele uyapusha ukuthi kubo babe happy and kubo balale badlile. So it is so sad ukubona umuntu ohlala yenza ukuhle for abanye abantu yena angatholi ukuhle. It is so sad, guys. But bazalwane bami, you can comment down below your thoughts, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and hit that notification button. Nginethanda ukuya nokubuya.